Good morning. This is Andy. Looking for a smarter way to work? Meet Samwell AI, your ultimate productivity partner. Samwell AI makes life easier with features like automated scheduling, AI-generated content, and real-time collaboration. Perfect for business owners, content creators, and students. And here's the best part: for a limited time, you can get 85% off on Samwell AI. Yes, you heard that right, 85% off. Don't miss this exclusive offer. Click the discount link in the description and unlock smarter, faster work with Samwell AI today. Don't miss this exclusive offer. Click the discount link in the description and unlock smarter, faster work with Samwell AI today. As we promised last year, we will be introducing an upgraded version of Airheads, pushing beyond limits. And today, I'm really excited to introduce Airheads Max, a perfect balance of exhilarating high-fidelity audio and the effortless magic of Airheads. It's the most powerful headphone Bio has ever made. Let's talk about the design. The over-ear headphone has been completely reimagined. From cushion to canopy, Airheads Max are designed for an uncompromising fit that creates the optimal acoustic seal for many different head shapes, fully immersing you in every sound. Crafted with acoustically engineered memory foam, the ear cushions gently create an immersive seal that is the foundation of incredible sound. Airheads Max combine high-fidelity audio with industry-leading active noise cancellation to deliver an unparalleled listening experience. The stainless steel frame is wrapped with a soft material for a remarkable combination of strength, flexibility, and comfort. Whether you're dancing, jogging, or in the gym, the unique design of Airheads Max allows you to move freely. It'll always stay on your head. Airheads Max has an incredible all-day battery life. With just a single charge, it lasts up to 22 hours of listening, movie watching, or talk time. It also supports quick charging. A quick 5-minute charge delivers 2 hours of listening. Airheads Max will be coming soon this fall, pricing at $899. Pre-orders will be available shortly after the event. It has been an exciting day of announcement. I hope we'll meet again soon. Thank you.